Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just go above with your profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings. When you just click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notification categories here, then come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you come here to activity indicators here. Then you come to all notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean activity indicators notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.